Hi, virtual kids. Good morning. It's Wednesday. It's September 16th. I just want to make you a quick video talking a little bit about what I'm expecting from you guys when you jump into the WebExes. So thank you for being patient, because I know that some of you guys had trouble at times getting into the meetings. The links are not going to change, so I will send them out again to you today for tomorrow and Friday, but it's the same links that I sent you last week. Another way you can access those is by going to Google Calendar, and you should see that it's on your schedule. If it's not there, let me know. For your expectations for class, I'm having trouble figuring out who's actually in the class with me. So what I'm going to need to do is have you do a couple of things. Now that you're kind of used to how this works, I need to be able to see your face. So that's number one. Some of you guys have been in my meetings, but I haven't known that you were even in my meeting until I went back and checked attendance later. So I need to see your face, okay? If you have to get up and go to the bathroom or leave the screen for a moment or whatever you have to do, that's fine. But I need to see that you're in my class. Some of you guys are really good at that. Others of you, you're killing your video and I can't see you at all. You should be participating somehow. So whether that's asking me a question, or maybe I will ask a question to my virtual students. Hey, virtual students, who's got an opinion? Who's got a thought? And that's when you can unmute yourself and jump in. I need you guys to do that, again, because that's part of our requirements here at school, is that you have to not only be there, but you have to participate somehow. Another way that you can participate is through asking a question on the chat, but it's the chat is very challenging for me right now because I do hear the chat going off, but some of the things that have been in the chats haven't been questions or have just been statements, then it kind of takes away time if I'm just looking at your statement. So if you are going to use the chat, please use it for a question and not just to make a funny joke or something, because then I have to stop teaching the kids also in front of the classroom and the rest of you guys and have to open that chat, read the chat, and then I see that it's not really anything that has to do with class. So keep your chats to questions if you can. You unmute your microphone when you need to speak and ask a question. It's okay to interrupt. It really is. And I need to see your face, okay? So those are the rules. That's pretty much the standard for all of your classes. So your teachers may start emailing you if they're not seeing you, physically seeing you in class. Keep that in mind, okay? Guys, you're doing awesome. Keep up the good work. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions whatsoever. I'll do my best to get to you. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.